recording a video. Don't throw it at the fish tank, though. I just said don't throw it at the fish tank. No, don't throw it at me either. Throw it on the floor. Throw it up in the air. Throw it up in the air again. You're freaking yourself out?
Yeah.
Just clarification there, folks. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Be careful. Oops.
Wait, Robert. What is that?
Huh?
What is that monkey?
Who is that?
Oh, yeah.
People are who? Things are what?
Look. 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 There's somebody.
Yep, we have company. Hang on.